Welcome, today in front of my Samsung Galaxy M31s, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Gmail application, and here on the right upper corner you'll see that we are logged in into the two accounts at the same time, and I'll show you how to log out from this account. So to do that, you just should tap here on the manage accounts on this device, and as can you see, we just launched the Google accounts settings, and just to log out from these accounts you should log out, just tap here for example on the first account, and here just to remove from this account tap here once and confirm by tap here again. And as can you see, we stay here in the Google account settings only with one account, and now we'll check our application. So as can you see, we just stay also in the application with one logged in account, and we are logged out from the second account. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.